Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and I used to struggle finding a light pink shade that would go well with my skin tone, not only with pink shades, but with lighter shades in general. But I no longer have that struggle because I have found the perfect light pink lipstick, and it's this Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Lipstick in the shade Ruler, which is shade number 80. I love this lipstick because it really matches my skin tone really well. I usually wear it by applying lip liner on my lips first and then by applying this lipstick on top. And there are so many amazing things about this lipstick apart from the color. The formula is amazing because it will last all day, and also it applies really smoothly on my lips. It does not leave my lips feeling dry, which is something that many fear whenever they wear a matte lipstick. And I know that whenever I wear this lipstick, it will last all day. I am not afraid to have beverages. I am not afraid to have food because I know my lipstick will stay on my lips. So I definitely feel secure. And I also feel like this lipstick matches my skin tone. And that is the reason why I love it. But that's just my point of view.